two small onions, one tomato, four green chilies, few curry leaves. I poured the oil, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, added the onions, green chilies, sauteed it well, added the curry leaves, I sauteed it well, and then I added ginger garlic paste. After that, tomato, sorry, two tomatoes I have added, and these powder I have mixed turmeric, salt, garam masala. This is the salt and turmeric washed chicken, and I mixed the masala into the chicken, and I added water and closed the lid of the cooker. After 4 whistles, I opened the cooker, but before that, I washed the rice for for lunch. So I have added 1.5 glasses of rice, and I'm washing it for 3 times, 3 to 4 times. And I have added it to the boiling water. Both got ready, and I have added the coriander leaves on the top of it, and the chicken curry was ready. So, this is the food that I have prepared today.